Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be doing my first film review, and I'm going to be doing a film review of Dunkirk. In my opinion, it's one of the best films ever, because of its quality, the cinematography, the story, the way the story was portrayed. It's just such a good film, and it was by Christopher Nolan. So that is a sign of quality. Now, let's get into the review. First off, I'm going to be talking about how the film is filmed and how good that was. So, first off, we all know that Christopher Nolan, the director of this film, is a great fan of non-digital effects, and if you've watched the Dark Knight trilogy, you know when the lorry was flipped over, that was an actual lorry that was actually flipped over. And in this film, with all the Spitfire and Messerschmitt scenes, they actually used real Spitfires and 109s to do those scenes. And I'm a big fan of aviation in the Second World War, because I make airfix models and I've made so many Spitfires and a few 109s. So I really love how Christopher Nolan uses practical effects in all of his films. And now I'm going to go on to part 2, which is sort of how the film worked and how it was portrayed. So there were 3 storylines. There was the mole, the water, and the air. I think I got the mole and the water right, but I'm not too sure, so go and research that for yourself. But the air took place over 1 hour, the water took place over 1 day, and the mole took place over 1 week, and they all intertwined with each other. So I think you have to just get to grips with that, and then you'll understand the film more. You just have to understand that, and then the film will be really good, because it's like the planes wouldn't be in the air for a day or a week, and the boats wouldn't be in the water for an hour, because it's over from Britain to France. So, just once you get that, you'll understand how the film works. Also, in the film, there wasn't that much heroism. It was more, this is war, and it is really, really not good. Everyone was terrified. It was really down to earth and gritty, and it didn't feel like your typical war film where, like, we're victorious, because it was Dunkirk, and it was a loss for the Allies. It felt like, it didn't feel like a loss, but it didn't feel like a win. It was just, this is war, and it's really not good. Everyone was terrified, and everyone was just trying to survive in their own story, using the 3 stories. Overall, I think the film was amazing, and still is. And if you don't want to go and watch it because it's World War II and you're not interested in World War II, I would still recommend watching it because of the art of cinema. It was just such a good film, and the camera work and the stories and how it was portrayed, it was just amazing. You should go and see it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.